time temperature transformation diagram or time temperature transformation curve. It is also known as TTT curve. Now, for explaining the TTT curve, I have taken the reference of iron carbon equilibrium diagram also. Steels above Fe and SCM temperature exist in austenitic region. This is very clear from iron carbon diagram. Depending on the cooling rate, that is instantaneous temperature, the different transformation reaction take place. Thus, depending on the cooling rate, austenite may transform into pearlite, bainite or martensite. The relationship of temperature versus time and transformation is thus established for specific composition of steel, and it is represented as time temperature transformation, in short TTT curve. Let us see TTT curve in detail. TTT curve or TTT diagram, it is also known as S curve or C curve or isothermal transformation diagram, is plotted by making use of the various graphs. These graphs are obtained, first of all, the steel, a particular steel is heated to certain temperature such as 700 degrees Celsius, 750 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Celsius, where 100% pearlite is getting formed and it is obtained there at the room temperature conditions. So percentage of pearlite and time plot is obtained first, and from the same plot points are plotted there on temperature and time graph. All the points obtained on temperature versus time graph are then joined by a smooth curve. The smooth curve obtained is nothing but time temperature transformation diagram. The other figure shows TTT diagram for eutectoid steels. In this figure, TTT diagram is seen for eutectoid steel, where a term is used CCR, that is critical cooling rate. So critical cooling rate is also shown in this TTT diagram for eutectoid steel. TTT diagram or time temperature transformation diagram is a plot of temperature versus the logarithm of time for a steel alloy of definite composition. It is used to determine when the transformation begins and ends for a constant temperature heat treatment of a previously austenized alloy. When austenite is cooled slowly to a temperature below the lower critical temperature, the metal structure which is obtained at room temperature is ferrite, pearlite, etc. The microstructure of a metal is significantly altered as the cooling rate increases. We get martensite phase at room temperature if we apply tremendously high, means very high cooling rate. TTT diagram indicates when a specific transformation starts and ends, and it also shows what percentage of transformation of austenite at a particular temperature is achieved. TTT diagram is also known as S curve or C curve or isothermal transformation curve or diagram. At very high rates of cooling or quenching, a metastable phase called as martensite is formed in steels. TTT diagram is main source of information for the decomposition of austenite under non-equilibrium cooling conditions. In the next slide, I have shown here the TTT diagram for hypoeutectoid steels of carbon percentage 0.3 and TTT diagram for hyper-eutectoid steel of 1.2% carbon steel. Now let us learn critical cooling rate. Critical cooling rate is the cooling rate which just avoids entering the perlite and benite region. That is, it is passing the nose of, or it bypasses the nose of TTT curve, or the cooling curve which is there, critical cooling curve which is there, it is just tangential to the nose of TTT diagram. It can also be defined as the lowest cooling rate which will result in all austenite getting transformed into martensite. Figure shows the critical cooling rate by a hidden line on temperature versus time and transformation curve. See here, cooling rate, if they are higher than critical cooling rate, then complete martensitic transformation is obtained. Hence, final microstructure will be entirely martensite of high hardness. Any cooling rate lower than the critical cooling rate, that is in short CCR, will form softer transformation products such as perlite or benite, but any cooling rate equal to or faster than CCR will form only martensite structure. So what is the importance of critical cooling rate? Let us see here. It is important for heat treatment of steels. For hardening, the cooling rate must be higher, that is faster than the critical cooling rate. Critical cooling rate determines the microstructure formed on cooling. Final properties of steel depend on the critical cooling rate. So factors which are there, which are important for critical cooling rate. First one is percentage of carbon content. Composition of carbon in steel affects the TTT curve. For both, that is hypo and hyper-eutectoid steel, the TTT curve shifts toward left and hence the critical cooling rate increases. Faster cooling rate is required to obtain the martensite. Second point is percentage of alloying elements. Similar to the effect of carbon on TTT curve, alloy elements also cause the TTT curve to shift towards left except the element like cobalt. Third point is hardening temperature. Higher the hardening temperature, faster the cooling rate is required to obtain the martensite structure. The next one is continuous cooling transformation diagram, or it is also called as CCT diagram. So here in this figure I have shown the various transformation diagrams or various transformation curves. This is a CCT diagram or CCT curve. CCT diagram is also similar to that of TTT diagram, but it is having slight differences from TTT diagram. Let us see the difference between TTT diagram and CCT diagram, or TTT curve and CCT curve. TTT curve, the relationship of temperature versus time and transformation obtained under the isothermal cooling is referred as TTT diagram, whereas the relationship of temperature versus time and transformation obtained under continuous cooling is referred as CCT diagram. Second point is TTT curve is obtained under ideal equilibrium cooling conditions, whereas the practical heat treatment cycle involves continuous cooling of steels. Hence, CCT curve is obtained by continuous cooling of steel. Third point is, since the cooling is isothermal in case of TTT curve, the curve obtained is an ideal curve. In case of CCT curve, the cooling is continuous. The curve obtained shifts toward the bottom right corner of the diagram. The fourth point is the transformation is smooth and fast in case of TTT curve, whereas the transformation takes longer time due to shifting of the curve towards the right side. So these are general differences between TTT and CCT curve or diagram.